How to create temporary Gmail account in this video. I'm going to teach you how to create a temporary Gmail account quickly and easily while protecting your privacy. If you've ever needed a separate email for online shopping, testing, or signing up for services you don't want linked to your main account, this guide is for you. We're going to cover 3 legitimate methods that work right now in 2026, all completely free and within Google's terms of service. Let's get started. Method 1. Using Gmail aliases. The easiest approach is using Gmail's built-in alias feature. If your email is john.doe@gmail.com, you can add a plus sign and any text before the symbol. For example, john.doe plus shopping@gmail.com. All messages sent to this alias go directly to your main inbox, but websites see it as a separate address. This works instantly with no setup required. Method 2. Creating a secondary account. For a true separate account, go to Accounts Google.com and click Create Account. Choose For Myself and fill in a new first and last name. You don't need to use your real name. Use a phone number you have access to for verification. Google will send a code to confirm it's really you. Once verified, you have a completely separate Gmail inbox. This takes about 5 minutes. Here's another Gmail quirk that's less known but very useful. Gmail ignores periods in usernames, so john.doe, johndo, and johndOe all go to the same inbox. You can use different dot combinations to create unique addresses for different services, and they all funnel to one place. This is perfect for organizing or tracking which services have your email. When creating a secondary account, use a recovery email address you actually check regularly. Many people lose access to temporary accounts because they forget to set this up. Also, add a phone number as backup recovery. It takes 30 seconds but saves you from being locked out later. You now know 3 ways to get a temporary Gmail solution instantly. The alias method is quickest, the secondary account is most secure, and the dot trick is perfect for organization. Each method is completely free and legitimate. If this helped you, please like this video and subscribe for more practical guides. Drop a comment below telling me which method you're going to try first. Thanks for watching.